Take control of your time, increase your productivity, and achieve your goals. What do you need for that? Time blocking. What is time blocking? Time blocking is a time management technique that allows you to divide your day into specific blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or activity. What do you need to start? Well, the good news is you don't need much. You can just start with pen and paper, and that's all you need. If you want to go more advanced, you can create a template on your computer, print it out and use that, or you can use a journal, for example, the Time Block Planner from Cal Newport. You can also use an app or a calendar on your phone or a computer. I use pen and paper most often. I did create a template on my computer, printed it out, and I from time to time use that. I've also purchased the Time Block Planner from Cal Newport, and I have to say that when I was using this, I was probably the most consistently using time blocking in my life. But it is really up to you what suits you and your needs and how you like to use it. Most important thing is that you use it consistently. Steps to start time blocking today. If you want to start with time blocking today, you certainly can. The easiest way is to start with pen and paper, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Number one, identify your priorities. List all the tasks you need to accomplish and mark those that you definitely need to do today. Ideally, these would include also those that help you reach your long-term goals. Number two, mark your paper with the times from when till when you want to work. Remember, this can include both work and leisure time. It's up to you how much structure you want in your life. I do 1 hour per 2 lines, so I essentially have blocks of 30 minutes time. Number three, assign specific tasks to the blocks of time. Start with things that are non-negotiable, for example, meetings and appointments. Then take the most important tasks you want to finish today and put that into the remaining spaces, and then take the rest of the tasks and fill them within the empty spaces in your time block plan. When you are starting the time blocking, it's a good idea to give yourself more time than you think for each task, so you set yourself up for success. Number four, for tasks that take you less than 30 minutes. So what I do is I have 1 or more blocks of time for these smaller tasks. I have these tasks written on a separate note of paper or next to the plan, and then during this block of time I go through the list one by one and tick them off as I do them. Number five, when you are creating your plan, think about the distractions, think about how tired you will be at each time of the day. So you schedule the most important time, ideally earlier in the day and when you're not going to be distracted. Number six, now this is the critical point. You need to follow the plan. You need to follow the plan as well as you can. But number seven, be prepared to be flexible and adjust the plan. So, you can have a new meeting coming up that you need to attend. You might have urgent tasks you need to take care of. Don't worry about it. Go to the plan and just adjust it as you go. So now you know how to start with time blocking. What about taking it to the next level? What can you do next to even improve it and get more out of it? Well, I would suggest that you incorporate a planning and reviewing session once a week. It can be Friday afternoon, on Sunday, or Monday morning, where you kind of go through the previous week. You look at what worked well, what didn't go so well, how you can improve it. You kind of do a brain dump of everything that is still outstanding, and then you plan for the upcoming week, ensuring that what you are going to work on is actually contributing to your long-term goals. If you follow through with time blocking for a longer period of time, you will learn a lot about yourself and how you work. You will see that you are suddenly able to focus for longer on one particular task. You know yourself better and how you work and how long it takes you to do certain things, so you can actually improve your planning and get really more out of time blocking. Just remember, as with any skill that is new, it's going to take some time to get really into it. At the beginning, you might feel like it's taking a lot of time to do the planning. It's not very accurate. You are not being able to really follow through everything because you run out of time. Don't worry, stick to it. I promise you it is going to be worth it. I have a lot of videos on my channel about time blocking, specifically about the weekly review and planning sessions, about setting your goals, your quarterly and yearly goals. So make sure that you check these out so you can really set yourself up for success. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, you subscribe for more interesting content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!